The first question is, which of these is native to Britain? The correct answer is A, hedgehog. Question 2. What is next in this number pattern? 1, 3, 5, 7. The correct answer is D, 9. Question 3. President Kennedy was visiting which U.S. city when he was shot and killed in 1963? The correct answer is B, Dallas. Question 4. What is a skunk classified as? The correct answer is B, mammal. Question 5. The Santa Claus 3, The Escape Clause, is about what Christmas character? The correct answer is C, Santa Claus. Question 6. The North Island and which other Moai island make up New Zealand? The correct answer is A, South Island. Question 7. What popular blog features street portraits and interviews on the streets of New York City? The correct answer is B, Humans of New York. Question 8. Which group had hits with ABC and I Want You Back? The correct answer is A, Jackson 5. Question 9. Hassan II was proclaimed king of which country in 1961? The correct answer is C, Morocco. And the last question is, who recorded the hit single He Ain't Heavy, He's My Brother in 1970? The correct answer is B, Hollies. I hope you enjoyed this quiz and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.